What is elevator recall? Well, by law, it's required that the elevator should recall to an alternate floor if the fire alarm system is activated by a water flow detector, elevator machine room smoke. Any one of these devices should send an elevator to an alternate floor. So what I'm doing here is I'm simulating a test for the first floor smoke detector. This elevator lobby smoke detector should send the elevator to the second floor, which is the alternate floor. So if the smoke detector is on the second, third, fourth, or even the basement, that elevator lobby smoke detector will send this or the elevator to the first floor. So to make sense of this, if it's on the first floor, it's going to go up to another floor. If it's on any other floor, it will come down to the first floor. So now the system is in alarm. So what we have here is the fireman hat. The fireman hat is now activated, so when the fire department come in, they can take control of the elevator with the 1620 key. And it's also an indication that the elevator is in fireman's service. So I sent the elevator up to the 6th floor to simulate that it's going to come all the way down to the first floor, just like it did. And when you go inside, you cannot control the elevator, so the elevator is uncontrollable. It's only for the fire department. They will have to put their key in it to manually override this elevator and take it to a floor to serve the fire if they need to. That fireman hat should be flashing. This is a code for New York City. In any elevator recall situation, the fireman hat should be flashing, the elevator should stop, and you should not be able to control it. So this is how we would check and test fire alarm system to make sure that the elevator recall is actually working. So what we have there is the outputs are latched. And when the outputs are latched, what it's doing is holding off all the relays so that way none of the relays turn on automatically once you reset the system. You will have to do a manual process to first reset the system and then put a code in to manually reset relays. So what I'm doing here is testing the dialers, dialer 1 and dialer 2, the actual phone lines. I'm sending signals across phone line 2 and causing a trouble on phone line 1. So I reset the system and I'm going to see if the elevator is back to normal, which it is. It's on the ground floor. The elevator is open. So now we should be able to press buttons and go to different floors so that way we can control the elevator. Fireman hat is turned off and now the system is back to normal. If you're a service technician that follow this channel, let me know in the comments if you have any issues out there with fire alarm systems, any camera systems, burglar alarm systems, or anything like that. Any troubleshooting tips that I can help you out, I'm willing to do so. I've been in the business around 25 years and I started my company Securities roughly a decade ago, and we've been serving New York City for the past 10 years, putting in fire alarm systems, testing these fire alarm systems, and making sure everything is good. So if you like this type of content, let me know in the comments to help me know what type of videos I could create for this channel to help you out when it comes to fire alarm and security, or even business. Whatever it is that you need help with, let me know in the comments. So as we drive out the basement of this service call, it's time for us to get up out of here. There's another one done. This is what we do every day. We are the experts when it comes to fire alarms. We keep systems normal. We keep systems operating. We get systems installed and approved. So check out our website for more if you need more information. I am Anthony Richardson, president of Securities. Thank you for watching. Time to go home now. Peace.